University Outstanding Achievement in Tropical Medicine. Narito po kasama natin si Dr. Pilarita Tonggol Rivera, the Lady Red is in the house.
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. I'm Dr. Pilarita Tonggol Rivera. I'm a medical doctor, but unlike my classmates from UP Class 83, I quit internal medicine and I joined the Department of Parasitology at the College of Public Health. So I worked on tropical diseases for 38 years. I just retired last year. So tropical diseases, ang maalala kong masasabi ko ngayon, sinabi sa akin ng isang doktor na pinuntahan ko sa Davao looking for malaria patients at that time. Ano yan? Transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes, lamok, no? So, ang Philippines, since it's a tropical country, so marami tayong mosquito-borne infections. Ano yan? Malaria and dengue. So, sabi niya sa akin, Doktora, wala kang mahanap dito sa Davao City. Kailangan pumunta ka sa bundok ng Davao del Norte, Palawan, Kalinga, Apayao. So, dun ako nag-work for our malaria research. And I was able to maintain my collaboration with Japanese researchers kasi doon ako nag-PhD for my research on malaria. So, yun yung ginawa ko. So, I was able to train many BS Public Health students, MD, PhD, molecular medicine. Si Dr. Prestel was one of our first batch of MD, PhD students and MD, MPH students now from the College of Medicine. So, kaya marami akong opportunities to work with young minds, and palaging yun yung naiisip ko as a good teacher, and I had the opportunity to have very good mentors, so I should return back. So, yun. But hindi lang mga students, no? I work with health workers. Yun, yung sa malaria namin. Malaria volunteers, no? So, sila nagpa-microscopy and now rapid diagnostic test. So, I'm happy to tell you that the Philippines, I hope, will soon be malaria-free. Nasa Palawan na lang, southern, 4 municipalities in southern Palawan, among the Palawan tribe. Kaya yung isang paper kahapon on and engaging communities, no, getting their trust. Sa University of San Agustin, I was able to briefly talk to him how can we reach these people who still live in caves, no, for convincing them to take care of themselves, yung health nila become their priorities because health is wealth. So yun yung nakikita ko sa ngayon, yung bioscience innovations, transforming enterprise ecosystems for wealth creation. So healthy people will be a prosperous and a wealthy people. So thank you very much for listening to me this morning.
Thank you, Dr. Tonggol Rivera.